Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS Grid tutorial on freeCodeCamp, and we're going to learn about the align self property. So this is how you align the items, the content inside of the items vertically as well. So it takes the same values as justify self as we learned previously. Justify self aligns the content inside of the cell horizontally, and now this one does it vertically. So we can use this property and we can test it on this exercise, and they want us to look at item 3. So by default, it stretches the entire vertically, but we can change it by writing end. We can see that the item 3 will start at the end, and then we can do center will be at the center, and then top start and start. And yeah, aligning content vertically and horizontally, you want to center through things, is pretty common when you do CSS. So this is important to know. So item 3, we want to, for this exercise, align it at the end vertically. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.